Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. So in today's video, I'm going to be creating this look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So I thought about doing this little small series here on my channel where I create eyeshadow looks using the Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that I have in my collection. I did do a high-end eyeshadow collection here on my channel. If you haven't seen that video, then you need to check it out. What are you doing with your life? So anywho, the first one that I'm starting with is this palette, and I created this look. I'm also going to be addressing some of this nonsense that's going on in our different communities, whether it's beauty, whether it's hip-hop and R&B, and just life as a whole. And I just want to give some encouraging pointers to you guys because I love each and every one of you and I want the best for any and everybody. So yeah, that is what this video is about today. So if you want to see this series here on my channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that subscribe button. And if you didn't hit that little bell next to the subscribe button, go ahead and hit that bell because it will let you know every time I upload a video here on my channel. Go ahead and join the family so that we can have this movement going. If you want to see how I got this look and what I did to get this look, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so you guys know the routine. I do my brows first. Actually, I've been doing my brows with the new Benefit Brow Contour Pro pencil or pen. It's a pen because it like gives you the remembrance if you ever use that pen, that white and blue pen that had the different colors on the end. But I use this to do my brows. If you guys want me to do like a thorough review and like brow updated tutorial using this new pen, then let me know down below. But yeah, brows are already done. I'm gonna moisturize my face with the Keihls Ultra Facial Cream. I've been using this for the past like 2 or 3 days. It definitely like hydrates your skin like nobody's business. And you only need a little bit. Like, this stuff is so good. And I only use this much to put literally all over my face to moisturize my face. Also gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover primer. I'm gonna rush through the base so that we can just focus on the eyes in this series that I wanted to discuss. So I'm just gonna prime my face with this Too Faced Hangover primer. That is that. Now we're gonna move on to the foundation. I'm gonna go in with my Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. I have it in the shade Tan Y400. What I do is I shake it up and I just do 2 lines on each side of my face. You guys, I did a poll on Instagram and I was asking if you guys wanted me to discuss this drama, the beauty community drama or what have you. But I feel like in these few videos of the series, that's why I'll do some of the talking and just like motivational type of encouragement for anyone out there, because the thing is, I don't want to dedicate a whole video to it because I'm not about all that drama. I don't have time for it. But what is really intriguing to me is that the point of me wanting to discuss it is because I know some of us have a lot of questions regarding makeup, and that's what got me excited about YouTube and me starting my channel, is that I always wanted to inspire someone or just show someone how I did something, because they were always asking me, how do you do this, how do you do that? And I feel like the beauty community, it kind of like lost that in a sense. It kind of like lost the whole teaching aspect, the tutorial aspect, the reviewing the products and actually giving a honest, thorough review. And it just seems like now you don't know who to believe, you don't know who to turn to, you don't know who to really watch unless you've already been watching them. I truly do miss brands working with YouTubers or influencers that actually have a passion for it. And like, in order for it to not be about the check, you gotta find what caused you to start in the first place. You gotta remember, it's like never forgetting where you came from type of, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just feel like it's just become this big old thing. And of course, not every YouTuber is being selfish or being, you know, messed up like that. Some of them are still truly, you know, doing their thing. I'm not gonna throw any names out there, but there are some very YouTubers who are bigger than me who have over 100K or at 100K subscribers, and they still comment on just about every comment that is in their comment section. And those are the ones that you can say, yeah, they still, you know, they're still humble about it. Like, don't take stuff for granted. Like, some people have got on and they don't even respond to comments. And it's like, how do you expect to get stuff completed from your viewers if you're not even responding to your viewers? So all in all, I think that this whole thing will pass over. I know that Marlena put out a video, and there's been a lot of controversy about that. The Makeup Geek owner, she's an influencer herself while also being a brand owner. So she gave her insight on that, and there's just been so much controversy on it, and I'm just like, yo, can we just get back to makeup? Like, what are all these truth videos and telling the truth about this, telling the truth about that? I just feel like nobody should have been shady from the jump. Like, let's all have fun. It's just makeup. Like, it's not that deep. I understand that people have to pay their bill, but don't, you know, cause all this negativity or all this drama online just to be the next hot topic. I just feel like, I don't know, you guys. And I think the fact of being an influencer can actually help that brand. Like, if you're just telling the truth about the product, maybe they can improve it if something is wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so that's my truth. The truth is, we need to just get back to makeup and tutorials and learning different techniques from one another and trying these things out for whatever works for whomever skin type, tone, or whatever the case may be. That's my thing. That's all I have to say about that. So we're gonna move on to the next subject. So see, it's not just the beauty community that has all this nonsense going on. That's what's crazy. Like Nicki Minaj and Cardi B. I don't know the story, just like I don't know the whole story about the beauty community, but I just gave my little 2 cents of that. But I just feel like life is too short for this nonsense to be going on, that it makes no sense. We as women, we need to uplift each other. We need to be looking out for one another. Like, you guys I don't think people understand. Like, let's think about it in a historical fact, like, type of environment, like what we got through to get here as women, as African American women at that. It's like, why is it okay for people to tear each other down rather than uplifting each other? I just don't understand that concept. And I don't want you guys to think that this is okay. Like, I know some of you are younger and some of you are younger following me, and I know some people do like the drama, and that's okay to, you know, look at drama TV shows here and there, because most of that stuff is scripted. If you did not know, we're just gonna be honest here. The whole Nicki Minaj thing and Cardi B, I just feel like they're both grown women, and I feel like there's a better way to handle situations in life. There's a time and a place for everything, and nope, it was just not, like, that just was not the place for it. I feel like as a grown woman, and this is not just for that situation, this is a general situation. As an adult, if you have an issue with someone, you go to that person and you talk to them one-on-one. You don't need a group of people around you. You don't need backup people, like backup dancers to back you up. Like, it's just really not that serious. It's really not. This world has so much going on as is. A lot of it is people putting it on themselves. A lot of stress put on people themselves. So I just feel like there is no time for that. It's really no time for that. Time is of the essence, and time is also money. And if you want to waste time, you know, just being foolish, then by all means, go ahead. But I just feel like some stuff is just not that serious. It's not that deep. I wanted to be like an inspiration to you guys, because we as women, we have to uplift each other. We have to, you know, help one another out. Nobody's saying you gotta go, you know, be stuck up under somebody all the time, but it's okay to, you know, send someone a message, or put these brushes down. Send someone a message, or let them know, hey, it's gonna be all right. I think we just come to a time where people really just don't care anymore, and so that's where a lot of it stems from. So what I just did on my lid was go into Unity and place that all over my lid. And now I'm going in with Eden and Saturn and placing that into my crease. But I say all that to say, everybody, you guys are all beautiful, you know. Don't let anybody else tell you anything different. I'm proud of you guys. Each of you that have entered my back to school giveaway, which I did choose the winner for that. In that video, in the description box, the winner name will be listed. I already talked to the person that's going to be getting it, so that's that. A lot of you are going into your senior year, and I want you to enjoy yourself and not, you know, not get involved with unnecessary stuff, because once school is over, honey, it's going to be going by so fast. It's going to go by so fast when you leave high school and you go into college. And then even when you get into college, it's definitely going to go by fast. Like being an adult. This adulting is no joke. Going deeper into the crease, I'm going to go into Parallel and place that on the outer V. And you guys, all of the products will be listed in the description box, so don't worry. I think I'm gonna go in with Dimension, which is here, this blue shade. And I'm gonna place that all over my lid. And I'm gonna wet it after I place it first. So I noticed that when I'm putting shadows on, if I like wet it beforehand, they come, depending on the shadows, they like get chunky or like too foil looking, too crumbly, too chunky. So I'm just gonna put that all over the lid first. Let's, you know, have a conversation in the description box. You guys let me know what you guys think and your thoughts on anything that I discussed here in this video. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with my Bad Girl Bang by Benefit mascara, and I'm going to put that on my lashes, just one coat. So I'm going to put some falsies on. I wanted to try this new, but I don't know if it's going to go with my look. This is the Butter London Glazing Blush Jelly. Oh, this is going to be light. This is going to be too much for my... But we can try it. It's a jelly. I hope you guys can see that. But let's see why my lashes are. I'm scared because this is a cream. Oh, it's not that bad. Not that bad. Oh, maybe I put too much on that side. Oh no. But I'm still gonna go on top of it with, you guys know I love my Lovejoy by MAC. I feel like that would be cute as a an eyeshadow too. Alright, so I'm gonna put these lashes on and do my bottom lash line, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back with my bottom lash line done and my lashes on, and I'm gonna go into the inner tear duct with this Lucid color. So yeah, back to the tutorials, back to the reviewing of the products. Like, can we just have, I just want to have fun again in makeup, and that's all I look at anyway. I don't look at this drama stuff. And for the lips, I'm gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Spanked. I haven't worn this in a while. These are super creamy. So I'm gonna spray my face, and then we're gonna go in with highlighter. We're gonna go into Pyramid, this gold shade in here. This gold shade in here, and use it as a highlighter. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little chit chat type of get ready with me, starting off with the Anastasia Prism palette. This is the Anastasia palette series. I'm going to start here on my channel just to show a few eyeshadow looks that I can create using these palettes. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. Let's not let the conversation stop here. What are your inputs on things that are going on in our society, in our communities, in our just everyday daily life? Let's have a conversation down below. I'll greatly appreciate you guys did that, just so that we can interact with one another. I love when we're interacting with one another. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you like more makeup tutorials on my channel, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.